Hi, today I'm making apple hand pies. So, again, I've been scavenging my freezer and my cabinets to see what kind of treats I could come up with. And I had a can of apple pie filling that I was going to use for a pie, as well as some refrigerated pie crust. So I thought I'd make a few hand pies. And so basically, what you need is just one egg, the pie filling, as well as I used all of the crust and a cinnamon and apple sugar. So about a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon. And basically, you're going to roll out the pie dough. And again, you can make your crust from scratch. Typically, my recipes, I'm usually trying to get them done quickly. So I've rolled out the pie dough. I actually have taken a small bowl and made just four circular rounds here, like you see, and I'm using those as the sort of template for the hand pie. I've cut up the apples, and so that they will be, a little finer. So because we want to make these little bite-sized apple pies, and I've added the just about a teaspoon and a half of filling. Oftentimes you'll be tempted to add more, and that actually will kind of seep out, and so you want to just make sure it's not too much filling. Next, you're going to add a half a teaspoon of the cinnamon sugar mixture to the pies, just a little because they're already sweetened. And then you're going to fold over each of the hand pies and just in half, and seal the edges. You can put a little bit of the egg wash. That's what the egg is for, at the seal of the pie. And then you're going to take a fork and just sort of completely seal up that pie. I Then I'm using just a tiny knife to make a small slit in the pie so that, the air can seep out as they bake. You'll take the egg wash, as you can see here, and you will just sort of cover the pies. And then I've baked them on a prepared cookie sheet that I've sprayed with Baker's Joy. And I put four hand pies on this very well used cookie sheet, and I'm going to bake them about 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Next, I'm making the piece of resistance, the vanilla glaze that goes over the hand pies. So it is about a quarter cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of milk, and then a dash of vanilla. And again, this is just, maybe a quarter teaspoon of vanilla. And you're going to just stir that, and it's going to make a nice thin glaze. And so once the pies have come out of the oven and they are, slightly cool, you can drizzle the glaze over the pies. And there you have it. You have a wonderful little treat, dessert. And I was told by my daughter that they were just perfect for the spring break.